love's misspent with angel eyes tonight. So drink up, I saw reflected in the color of your eyes, but somehow I could never peel away the layers of disguise. I'm drowning on, slowly sinking in a sea of blue and green. The feel, the choice, the flow, quite amazing. Inventor of a style, no other in a while, able, versatile and willing. The pain.